Hey YouTube. Today I'm feeling exhausted. Okay, I'll leave that. I'll just leave that as a joke. Anyway, um, I got the header set on Ole Red, and what I'll be doing today is be setting up the exhaust. I got the exhaust pipe here, and I got my collector. Now, what I'm gonna do, because some dumbass, I won't name names, but his initials are TMG. Bought the same size exhaust pipe as he did collector. So, what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna make 4 small cuts with my grinder, so I can spread this open, and then I can slide this. Ooh, back up. I can slide this in here like so, and then I can tap on a little bit around here, get it level and round with it, and then I'll weld up this seam and these seams, and it should be an airtight seal. I can do that on both of them. I thought that was a spider. That's just a piece of gunk. But anyway, so that's what we're doing today. All right, be right back. All right, now I got it shoved in there. Gotta get. Oh, where did I put that? There we go. Take the hammer. Try and close it up a little bit, nice and slow. Now then what I gotta do is I gotta weld these gaps up. We'll get the camera moved here real quick. Okay, let's see here. Let's get this camera. Okay, so you see, I just gotta weld up these holes here, and then I'll weld it around this way. And it's laying there pretty solid. There's a couple more spots I gotta tap down. Now I know this looks a little redneck and all, but I've done it this way a few times and it works. That's a pretty big gap though. I don't know if I'm gonna have to lay a few passes in that one. Get that sealed. I gotta weld it up here, and then I'll have to just make some passes and fill that in. That's a pretty big gap, but it's exhaust. I mean, it's not like it's holding any weight. That one's got a pretty big gap in it too. But we'll get her done. See, I really shouldn't have cut that as deep as I did, but it is what it is. So what we'll do is we'll get this set up pretty good. I'll go get my, I'll go get my welder. Now my welder isn't anything special. But this is just a regular old Harbor Freight 110 MIG welder. Nothing special. You can see it says Chicago Electric. Because I'm broke and I can't spend $500-600 bucks on a good welder. This was on sale for 99 bucks. I've welded a lot of stuff with it. Okay, and I nearly forgot a step. What is one of the big steps with welding? Cleaning the metal. I need to pull this back out And I need to grind this off here so I can get a good penetration in here. I was getting ahead of myself and getting excited. But anyway, so I pull this off, put my flap wheel on my grinder, and clean all this off. That way I can get a good weld on it. All right, I'll be back. Make sure it's straight, and like that's raised up, so we're gonna go on here and tap it. Got some more. Here we go. I know. Y'all gonna give me shit for it. But you know what? I don't care. Okay, now that I'm blind. Now there might be... Let's flip this around and make it easy on me. Still a couple low spots, but I ain't worried about that. But yeah, it's gone. A little grinder magic. And that split is gone. Yeah, they invented grinders for people that weld like I do. It's just a fact of life. Y'all can give me hell for not being a very good welder. I know I'm not a good welder. But I can get two pieces of metal to stick together, and I can make this thing seal. So we'll get on this next one. Yep. And we'll get them all down to pretty much looking like that. And that way it won't leak. Now I'm not planning on welding the mufflers on. I'm just gonna put those on with horseshoe clamps. But I want to get this first piece welded on here. Alright guys, I'll holler at you later.